In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make each text taller in Canva. To get started, head over and hover your mouse on the text icon in the left panel and start choosing a text style. Now from here, just add in your text. Then next is save this text as a PNG file. To do that, click on File, then click Download. And from here, make sure that you choose PNG as the file type. And also don't forget to tick the box beside transparent background. Now you can delete this text and replace it with our downloaded PNG. Just double click on this area to enter crop mode. Then hold the shift button on your keyboard and just by that, drag the photo to make it taller. By doing this, you can scale the text to make it appear taller. So just drag it according to your preference. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!